How's it going, skiers and riders? I'm John, and this is your Sunday, March 24th, Wachusett Mountain Snow Report. Spring is here, and what better way to spend it than at Wachusett? Our groomers have worked out our 26 trails for you to dig your edges into, and with 7 open lifts, you'll have no problem getting to the top. Temps are looking to peak in the low 50s, so leave a layer at home and enjoy this great day. Today we have a very special guest on the mountain. Princess Elsa had so much fun the last time she was here that she decided to come back. Come on over to Ollie's from 12 to 1 for some skiing, and then head over to the back deck for story time and dancing. We'll also have Stuff-A-Bear starting at 10 o'clock on the back deck. That's all I have for today. Be sure to check out social media for any updates to the mountain you might need to know about. Have a good Sunday, and I'll see you on the slopes.